LD Sledge, Writer Ghostwriter. Here's a 1-minute tip on writing. Adverbs. What are they? You can identify this by the ending of the words ly. Sweetly, lovingly, gently, violently. You don't need those words. Just say them. For example, he touched her face gently and kissed her sweetly. Why do you need that? Why can't you just say he touched her face and kissed her? The dog barked violently. Just say the dog barked. Make it clean and lean. Less is more. You'll find that readers love to read things that move. If you tie it up with a lot of adverbs, you're bogging it down. So make it lean and clean. Less is more. That's your mantra. Okay. Have fun. If you ain't having fun, you ain't doing it right. Call me if you have a problem. I'm right here.